Okay, good morning to all of you. I welcomes to all in our lecture series on mathematical physics, that is your core paper 8 belongs to 4th semester BSc syllabus. In our last class we have been done few numericals based on Taylor series. Okay, we done 10 questions. These are the questions 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 question I given to you that you have to do. It is very easy, you can do it. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 question also I given to you that you have to do it, and 10. And I told that two expressions or two Taylor series that you have to remember always. It will be useful uh, in our forthcoming classes. That is your 1 by 1 plus z equal to minus 1 to the power n z to the power n, summation over n equal to 0 to infinity. Or you can write in the expansion form, that is your 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube plus so on. And 1 minus z, 1 by 1 minus z equal to 1 plus z square plus z cube plus z to the power 4 and so on. Or we can write in the summation format, summation over n equal to 0 to infinity z to the power n. These two expression I told that these two expressions are important that you have to remember, and these two expressions also required today whenever we are going to solve another 3 questions. Okay, so this is your first question, that find Taylor series of fz equal to 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 2 about z equal to 0. Very simple question. See, now here we are going to use the partial fraction, that equal to fz equal to 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 2 can be written as now a by z minus 1 plus b by z minus 2. Okay, so here we done the partial fraction, that equal to, that implies this one equal to, just add it, it will be a into z minus 2 plus b into z minus 1 divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2, and here the numerator is only 1 and this numerator is this one, so you just multiply it. Is az plus b, az plus here bz, this will be minus 2a, this will be minus b. So here it can be written as a plus bz minus 2a plus b. So here the coefficient of a plus b is z, but here there is no z term is there. So a plus b will be equal to 0. Here 2a plus b is a number, we can say, will be equal to 1. That is minus 2a plus b equal to 1. Minus 2a plus b equal to 1, or 2a plus b equal to minus 1. So we are going to just add it, this one and this one. This will minus minus, this will be plus. So here we can found a equal to minus 1. Hence minus 1, if we have to put over here, then b will be 1. So 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 2 can be written as minus 1 by here a by z minus 1 plus b by z minus 2. So minus 1 by z minus 1 plus 1 by z minus 2. This can be written as, see, minus means it can be written as 1 by 1 minus z, and here plus is there. So if I am going to take common minus, it will be 2 minus z. So minus 1 by 2 minus z, right? So this can be written as 1 by 1 minus z, and this can be written as minus 1 by, take 2 common, so it will be 1 minus z by 2, right? So now 1 by 1 minus z Taylor series minus Taylor series of this one, we can get the Taylor series of the whole function, this one. So we know that 1 by 1 minus z Taylor series is nothing but 1 plus z square plus z cube and so on. Here minus 1 by 2, and here this is in the form of 1 by 1 minus z minus 2. Here z is nothing but z by 2. Okay, 1 minus z by 2. Here see, here 1 minus z, here 1 minus z by 2. So here z by 2 act as z. So simply the Taylor series will be, this one will be written as minus 1 by 2 is here, and this 1 by 1 minus z by 2 will be the Taylor series of 1 by 1 minus z by 2 will be written in the form of this one, but instead of z we have to consider z by 2. Okay, so 1 by 1 minus z is nothing but 1 plus z square and so on. Here 1 minus 1 by 2 is there, minus 1 by 2 is there. So instead of z we have to consider z by 2. So it will be 1 plus z here. For 1 minus z it is z. For here 1 minus z by 2 it will be z by 2. So z by 2 plus z square. Here z by 2 square. Here z cube. For this z by 2 cube. Okay. So further simplification we can get 1 plus z square z cube, so on, minus 1 by 2. Here 1 z by 2 plus z square by 4 z cube by 8 and so on. Okay. So this is the required Taylor series of this one. Next we have to go for the next question, that fz equal to 1 by z to the power 4 plus 8. Find the Taylor series about z equal to 0. So how we are going to solve it? We have to solve it in the form of 1 by 1 plus z. Okay. Because if we are going to do it traditionally, that first we have to find out a1, a2, a3, like that. Also you are going to get the same answer, but it will be that procedure will be so long. You can do it by yourself in rough and just match with the answer. Here question is 1 by z to the 4 plus 8. So it can be written as 1 by 8 plus z to the 4. So fz will be equal to 1 by 8, take common, 1 plus z to the 4 by 8. So this is in the form of 1 by 8 into 1 by 1 plus z, right? But 1 by 1 plus z Taylor series, we know that is your 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube plus so on. Here z is equivalent to what? Z to the power 4 by 8, z to the power 4 by 8. So in this series we have to put instead of z to the power 4 by 8. Simple. Okay. Now therefore Taylor series of this one by 8 into 1 plus z to the power 4 by 8 will be 1 by 8 is there. Okay. So 1 by 1 plus z to the power 4 will be written as this one. Here 1 by 1 plus z is 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube. So here 1 by 1 plus z to the 4 means here instead of z we have to put z to the 4 by 8, z to the 4 by 8, z to the 4 by 8, like that. So it will be 1 minus z to the 4 by 8. Here z square is there. So plus z square means instead of z we have to put z to the 4 by 8, z to the 4 by 8 whole square minus instead of z we have to put z to the 4 by 8 cube plus so on. So here 1 by 8, just multiply 1 by 8. 1 by 8 minus z to the 4 by 8 square, 8 into 8, 8 square, plus here 2 into 4, z to the power 8 by 8 into 8 square is 8 cube minus 4 into 3, 12, z to the power 12 by 8 into 8 to the power 3, it will 8 to the power 4 and so on. Okay. See, if you are going to do traditionally, you can get a0 value will be 1 and a1 value will be 0, a2, a3, these values you are going to get 0. Okay, only a4 value you are going to get. A4 value you can check by traditionally, that means here f dash z you have to find out. Here f dash z, f dash z0, 1 by 1 factorial f dash z0 we have to find out, no? So f dash z0 means fz equal to how much? 1 by z to the 4 plus 8. It will be how much? It will be minus 1 by z to the 4 plus 8 square into 4z cube, right? At z equal to z0, if I am going to put here 0, it will be 0. Like that, f double dash will be 0. One z term will become, okay? F triple dash will be also 0. Only f fourth derivative will be not to be 0, will be, it will give you some value. So a0 means a0, if we are going to consider for this one, a0 means so a0 means what? 1 by z to the power 4 plus 8 at z equal to 0, that means 1 by 8. So a0 we found 1 by 8. Okay. Okay, a1 plus a2, a1z, a2, the general TS of a function, that is your a0 plus about z equal to 0 is what? A0 plus a1z plus a2 z square a q z to the power 4 plus a z to the 3 a4 z to the 4 like that. So here a0 we found 1 by 8, a1 how much 0 we found, so this term will be 0. You can do it. A2 also will be 0, a3 also will be 0, a4 you are going to get some value. Okay, that value you can found how much 1 by you can find minus 1 by 64. Here 8 square, no, so 1 you can found 1 by 60 minus 1 by 64 and z to the 4. This term you are going to get. So in between this a1 a2 a3 these terms will be is going to be 0 if we are going to find out the traditionally Taylor series of this one. You check it out in rough. Okay, so I suggest that this type of question you have to solve in this method. Okay, by considering 1 by 1 plus z Taylor series of 1 by 1 plus z. Okay, in this way you can solve this type of question easily. Okay, otherwise in this way you have to find out first derivative, again second derivative, third derivative will be somewhat lengthy process. We have to go for the next question, that is your question number 13. Find the TS of fz equal to 1 by z square minus 1 z square minus 2. This is 2 z square minus 2 about z equal to 0. So here you can found fz the function, given function fz equal to 1 by z square minus 1 into z square minus 2. So this can be written as 1 by 1 minus z square into 2 minus z square. See, first I taken common minus from here, it will 1 minus z square, minus from this term minus 2 minus z square, so minus minus plus, so 1 by 1 minus z square into 2 minus z square I can write. So by partial fraction we can get, that means a by 1 minus z square plus b by 2 minus z square. You can do it by rough partial fraction. Many times we have been discussed. You can do it by rough. Here a you can found 1, b you can found minus 1, so fz will be 1 by 1 minus z square minus 1 by 2 minus z square. So I told that this type of things you can solve by considering 1 by 1 minus z or 1 by 1 plus z Taylor series. Okay, so here you can found 1 by 1 minus z square minus, here take 2 common, 2 means it will be 1 minus z square by 2, right? So 1 by 1 minus z square will be how much? 1 by 1 minus z, your Taylor series is what? 1 plus z square plus zq plus like this, so on. So here instead of z, what we have to write? Z square only, that's it. So it will be, the Taylor series of this one will be 1 plus z. For 1 by 1 minus z it will be z. For 1 by 1 minus z square it will be z square. Z square plus, see here z square. So instead of z we have to write z square. So z to the power 4. Again zq, that means z square to the power 3, that will be z to the power 6 and so on, right? So it will be this will be the Taylor series of this one. Next minus, this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, here 1 minus z square by 2. So here z square by 2 considered as z. So 1 by 1 minus z is nothing but 1 plus z square plus zq, like that. So here instead of z we have to consider z square by 2, right? So minus 1 by 2 is there, 1 plus instead of z what we have to consider? Z square by 2, z square by 2. Again instead of z we have to consider z square by 2, it will be z to the power 4 by 4, z to the power 4 by 4. Again z to the power 3, z means here z, here z because here 1 minus z, but here 1 minus z square by 2. So instead of z we have to consider z square by 2. So z square by 2 to the power 3, that means z to the power 6 by 8, right? So this can be written as in the summation format, that is your n equal to 0 to infinity z to the power 2n. You can check, put n equal to 0, it will be 1, n equal to 1, so it will z square, n equal to 2, z to the power 4, n equal to 3, z to the power 6 and so on. So So here it will be minus 1 by 2 summation over n equal to 0 to infinity z to the power 2n by 2 to the power n. So you can check here, put 0, it will be 1, z to the power 0, 1, 2 to the power 1, 0, 2 to the power 0, 1, so 1. Then 1, if we are going to consider that this will be z square by 2, z square by 2, 2, z to the power 2 into 2, 4, z to the power 4 by 2 to the power 4 means 4. 3 you have to consider, z to the 6 by 2 to the 3, that means 8. Okay, so this is your summation format. Or you can write this 2 here, it is in multiplied with this term, you can take inside the summation, it will be 2 to the power n plus 1, 2 to the power n plus 1. So this is your required Taylor series of this one. So today class is this much. Next class we are going to do another few questions, some other style based on the Taylor series. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Write down these 3 questions in your note and ready for the next class. Thank you.